Okay, exercise number 15. So I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try and do it in less steps. So what does that mean? I'm actually going to draw this whole shape and put all of these faces facing up on the same sketch and then extrude them all individually, then come through and put in our square hole. So you could draw this whole cube and then go and extrude each of these out on different sketches. We're going to try and save some time and do it all in one sketch. So there's my sketch off the top face. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my overall shape. So the entire square, which is going to be 50 by 60. I'm then going to add in that top section, which is 12 millimeters wide. And same this way, which is also 12 millimeters wide. I'm going to trim these out just so I don't get confused. You don't have to do that, but just so I know where I'm up to. Then I'm going to go for my next step down, which is 12 millimeters wide. So that's this step here. And for this one, I just need to draw in this line. So if I grab that line tool, I'm going to draw across on an angle, and then we can use the dimension tool to figure out the sizes of things. So I know from this corner to this corner on my drawing is 24. And then up here from here to here is 12. This line here is still blue, so let's just put in 12 there. And that should get us out of trouble. So we're going to finish our sketch. So I have all of my shapes drawn, and now we need to do some extruding. So I'm going to start with my first one. I'm going to bring him up. He needs to go up 50 because it's the total height. Once I extrude that, all of my sketching disappears. But what I can do is I can come over here to my sketches tab and turn it back on by clicking this little eyeball, and all of my sketches will reappear. So now I can just go and extrude this shape, and I know it has to be 50 minus 12. And then my next one, I can extrude 50 minus 12 minus 12. And my last one here, I can extrude, and it needs to go up 12. And so there's my shape. Now it looks a little funny because all my lines are still there from my sketch. So what I can do now is turn it off again. So there's my shape. So I now just need to add in my square here and make it a hole. So I'm going to go sketch off this face, grab my rectangle, I'm going to draw it, and it's an 8mm mortise, which means that it's 8 by 8. If we dimension him, from here to here should be 8, and from here to here should be 8 as well. He's in the right spot now. We finish our sketch, we choose our square, we click extrude, and this time I'm going to say through all instead of distance. So we'll just keep cutting through everything. Click OK, and there is exercise 15 completed.